Apar Telecom Solutions, connecting the world across evolving telecom sector. Communication, once a goal, has now become the foundation for a world of possibilities. The telecom sector is undergoing an evolution, transforming us into a digitally connected society. This evolution is a captivating tale of technological advancements, innovative technologies, and a wave of new applications for multiple use cases. These applications rely on an infrastructure with ultra-low latency, ubiquitous coverage, and flexibility of network slicing capabilities to meet the evolving demands of a hyper-connected world. Owing to the way we live, work, and connect, the network is in constant demand for more and more data, with much faster speeds and reliability. Everything is changing. Our homes are becoming smarter. Healthcare is getting digitally connected, and enterprises are collaborating seamlessly. In this journey to meet these market demands for a robust and reliable infrastructure, Apar comes in as a partner of choice, offering a wide range of telecommunication solutions, including high-performance fiber optics cables, reliable LAN cables, innovative hybrid cable options, and specialty cables tailored to the diverse needs of 5G and IoT. Apar's state-of-the-art telecom manufacturing facility is located in Kotalwada, Gujarat, one of the most prosperous states of India. Apar has an integrated facility in India that manufactures UL and CPR-certified hybrid and other specialty optical fiber cables.
Apar facility is accredited with international standards like TL 9000, ISO 9001, WAM 4001, 18001,
and NABL accredited testing lab. Apar continues to push the boundaries of innovation across telecom connectivity products. Proud to achieve the prestigious Aegis Graham Bell Awards 2024 for the development of hybrid cables for a faster, better, and greener society. Apar Telecom Solutions takes pride in enabling connections between people, societies, and countries, fostering unity and progress, providing secure connections to guard borders, ensuring the safety and integrity of the nation, bridging the gap between rural and metro areas, creating equal opportunities and access for all, helping countries build advanced optical fiber infrastructure, empowering them to achieve technological excellence and global connectivity. Beyond telecom, Apar is #1 manufacturer of overhead conductors globally, enabling transmission of greener power. Third largest producer of specialty transformer oils globally augmenting. Leading manufacturer of power cables enabling cleaner environment with wind and solar energy. Apar enables connectivity between people and societies across telecom, power, and transport segments in over 140 countries across the globe. Join us as we continue to shape the future of communication and connectivity. Let's connect the world with Apar Telecom Solutions today.